Hey Facebook, this is Walter Lundy with www.regional IT services, professional technology assistance, computer repair, IT services.com's affordable domains, reliable web hosting, email, website design, as well as a variety of other technical products and services. As y'all can see, it is a Friday night. And unlike most of you, I am not partying or clubbing. I am working. You know, it takes grinding to be a king. Look like I will be putting in a late night tonight, as I have several PCs that I need to that I need to get set up for new users that start on Monday. So I want to make sure I get. This is a new client I just picked up, and I do want to make sure that they are confident in my ability and my work. One of the things about being in business for yourself is sometimes you have slow days. And on those slow days, I still try to be productive on the marketing side, doing advertise, creating ads, doing sales, going back and updating my search engine optimizations, and just kind of overall looking at the business from a whole and trying to plug any leaks, improve upon procedures and things like that. Um, I got to start following my own advice a little more closely because sometimes, when I'm having a slow day, I kind of get down in the dumps a little bit, and I'm like, oh man, maybe the business is not thriving as it should be because I'm so used to working for a company where I'm busy from the time I walk in the door to the time I leave. But busy doesn't mean progress. Phone call to change your situation. As the case with this customer that I picked up here today, I was having a slow day. I was actually having a slow week, and he reached out, needed my services immediately. So I'm on site and look like he has a lot of things he needs for me to do. So I anticipate this carrying me over for a few weeks as I build up more clients and get more service calls and things like that. So for those new business owners out there, those new entrepreneurs, take those lessons that I'm learning firsthand, that you have to be patient. And patience is a virtue. And a slow day doesn't mean a slow business. It just means that no one needed your services that day, and there's other things that you can be doing to build a foundation of your company. I love working these late Friday nights, even though a lot of people prefer to be at home. If I was at home, I would be on the PC anyway, so it's much better that I'm actually doing it and making money in the process, of course, as well as building my reputation. Um, so I have a couple more systems to set up, maybe about 4 or 5 systems to set up. And once I get them all set up, then I need to update the software, get them on the network, get the user account situated, all of that type of stuff. So, for those of you who can use my service, for those of you who have small businesses but can't afford an IT staff, for those of you that are trying to grow your business and need a website that is able to promote your brand, I can provide search engine optimization, which will allow people to find you in Google. There's little tricks and tips that I've learned along the way that are not common knowledge, but it does help your Google rankings, and it gets you to come up a lot faster when people do a search for your services or your business. And I'm not going to give away those trade secrets, but I do know them from trial and error, as well as from being in the business and understanding how search engine technology works. So, if you want me to help get your name out there, you want a professional website that can take online payments, that can connect all your social media accounts. If you want your advertisement and your ads to update, reach out to us. We can definitely help. Even if you're not in the same state, we can do a lot of that stuff remotely. If you have some hardware that you need for me to repair and you're not in my same state, that is what FedEx and UPS is for. You can ship it to me overnight. I'll get it fixed and get it back to you ASAP. So don't let distance be a factor. We're living in a global economy. So don't think local, think global. When you do anything, when you grow your business, when you think about the moves you're going to make, broaden your horizons. I'm not going to talk for too long. I'll probably get back on here later on, kind of give you an update and show you what I'm doing at the time. But look like it's going to be a late Friday night here doing some work. Thank y'all for visiting. Oh, make sure y'all visit our website, which is www.regionalitservices.com. Professional technology